is Brian Hong. I'm here to present homework 3. If you watched my homework 2, then you already know that my write, clear, copy, and write read works. So I'm just gonna jump straight into it. It's just I added code to homework 2 to make this work. So I'm gonna start off with a NAND. So I already stored values 1 and 2 to both registers 1 and 2. So if you NAND this together and you read the value, and I stored it into register 3, if you NAND that value and store it into 3, you should get 253. If you do a random number generator and I store it into, let's say, register 8, and you read that value, it should just be a random number. Yep. Let's just clear it for just easy sakes. I'm gonna do a subtract now. So if I store values 3 into register 2, and I store 1 into register 1, and I subtract them and store it into 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I add it into 3. If I subtract them, it should end up with a 2, right? And then I'm gonna add immediate. So there's already a stored value in register 2, which is a 3. So then I'm just gonna add immediate, register 2 and store it into register 8. Register 2 added with the immediate value of 3, you should end up with a 6 from that value. So if I read this value, it should say 6. There you go. I'm just gonna clear it again, just make it easier. And then I kind of wanted to show you my create my own, which I made it a NOR. So if I stored an 8 into register 2, and I stored a 4 into register 1, and then I NORed them together and stored into register 3, 4, and you did 2 and 1, so 2 and 1, you should end up with 244. That's the NOR, yes, okay.